Guangdong Aijiaju Furniture Co., Ltd. Building area, 45,000 square meters. Employees, 250 people. 5,000 square meters independent exhibition hall. Sofa leather warehouse. Workshop snapshot. Software workshop. Paint workshop. Veneer workshop. Hardware workshop. True one-stop full case customization. Exhibition hall. Displaying more than 1,000 pieces of furniture with the latest trends, styles and designs, including luxury, light luxury, minimalism, elegance, art and other styles. From the living room sofa, coffee table and TV cabinet to the dining table, dining chair and dining sideboard, bedroom beds, bedside tables, wardrobes, dressing tables, cloakrooms, wardrobes, cabinets, wood veneer wall panels, etc. are all available. Provide the owner with a truly one-stop overall customization and matching. Global DDP door-to-door delivery. Perfect customer service system. From solution discussion to technical docking. CAD joint deepening. To rich material and fabric configuration solutions. And communication during production, etc. Many customers from all over the world. Europe, Australia, Middle East, India, South America, etc. We serve many owners and customers around the world, including villa owners, luxury home owners, high-rise villa owners, resort project, club project, restaurant project, real estate model house, finely decorated house. Some recent cases are displayed. French country style, modern luxury style, contemporary luxury style, American country style, including cloakroom system, cabinets, doors, wood veneer wall panels, etc. Real one-stop full case customization, more past cases, artistic style cases, French country style cases, log natural style cases, metal art style cases, Italian luxury style cases, log BB cases, Mediterranean BB cases, contemporary luxury mansion cases, Aijiaju. Many product styles. There must be a choice suitable for you. Superb craftsmanship and ultimate workmanship, rich solid wood craftsmanship. Many exquisite production techniques create the most perfect home for you, providing you with the most perfect service. Best partner for global designers, owners and project owners.